Hi, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to get this bird-free item. Part 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And first, you need to go to Google. And you need to search roblox.com/redeem. And you will be in this page. And type tweet Roblox in redeem. And redeem. And do back to redeem. Then go to your inventory. Here, guys, is will be this want. Is will funny with my avatar. Because my head is too fat. Now, bye, everyone. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, everyone. Bye.